Of a severe weather or disaster. In line with Hurricane Preparedness Week, we have Cheryl Nelson, disaster preparedness expert, joining us to offer tips on how to plan and prep for a storm, what to have on hand, and how to avoid being left without power. Welcome to the show, and let's start off right away. And let's tell people, why should people be thinking about disaster preparedness now? It's May.
I know, right? It is May, but today is actually part of National Disaster Preparedness Week for hurricane preparedness. And you got to remember, hurricane season officially starts June 1st, so that's right around the corner. Remember last year we had Hurricane Matthew, and that affected a large part of the southeast. Over 1 million people lost power during Hurricane Matthew. It does not have to be an active season for a big storm or hurricane to impact your area. It only takes one. And that is why now is really the time to prepare you and your family.
Yeah, we went through Hurricane Matthew right here. I went through it on the front lines, right on the beach, and it was impressive and also very damaging, as you said.
Yeah.
But let's talk about what types of things, like we said, it's May. What types of things should we do now to get prepared before storm and obviously the hurricane season?
Sure. So one of the biggest challenges from a hurricane or a large storm is power outages. As you very well know from going through Hurricane Matthew, you can be without power for hours, days, or sometimes even weeks. And one thing I recommend having is a standby generator. This one in particular is called the Cummins Quiet Connect series. It's small, it's compact, and it is quiet, so your neighbors will not complain when you have that on. What's great about it is it's installed by a professional, and it turns on automatically. As soon as your power goes out, it comes on. It runs off of propane or natural gas, so you don't have to go to the gas station or worry about it turning off by itself. And also, you can control it on your smartphone and monitor it from there as well. So it's pretty cool to have, and it gives your family lots of peace of mind as well. One other thing that you can do now is find out if you live in a flood zone. If you do, consider getting flood insurance, but remember, there is a 30-day wait period, so you don't want to wait until you see a storm brewing in the Atlantic to get flood insurance. Something you should be talking about with your family right now.
Absolutely, yeah. Those are some big purchase items. Let's talk about some other important tips as a storm approaches, things you should be doing.
Yeah, have a family communicated plan. Find out if you get separated where you would meet. Also have an out-of-town relative as a contact that you can all reach out to if you are separated, just to check in, make sure everybody's okay. Do you have dead trees? Check them out, maybe trim them. Now is the time to look at that stuff. Inspect your roof for any leaks as well. And then I always recommend having a disaster kit both at home and in your car. Some things like this bag right here, you can have a lot of things like water, at least 1 gallon per person for at least 3 days, non-perishable foods. You want a NOAA weather radio for information, first aid kit, flashlight and batteries, a flash drive with all your important documents on it, at least 2 weeks of medication as well. And finally, don't forget about the pets too. Have a picture of you and your pet together to prove ownership. Those are just a few of the things that you should have on hand.
All good information, and of course, as we get closer to the hurricane season, some may not remember this segment, so give our viewers a place they can go to get more information about all this.
Homegenerators.cummins.com. Thank you so much.
And we'd like to thank Cummins Inc. for making that segment possible. All right, folks, 'tis the season to celebrate.